Oxford at Medical Center raises the bar on urban design and convenience. This community offers a tranquil setting where you can relax and unwind. You can spend a lazy day lounging by the resort-style swimming pool and clubhouse with complimentary Wi-Fi, or burn some energy in the cutting-edge fitness center. We also offer services for a maintenance-free lifestyle, along with valet trash, 24-hour package service, and professional management. Our spacious 1- and 2-bedroom apartment homes offer an extensive list of practical amenities, such as an open-island kitchen with stainless steel appliances, ceiling fans, walk-in closets, and washers and dryers. Cozy bedrooms provide a welcoming retreat, and you can take in the fresh air from your balcony. Our spot on the northwest side of San Antonio has easy access to interstates, country clubs, and the downtown area with all its shops and services. Schedule your visit today and discover all that we have to offer at Oxford at Medical Center.